This is me, Angela. Friends and clients call me the Dream Builder. I'm a writer and social media professor who loves coffee. Because without it, I could not survive my life with my 2 boys, 1 girl,
and their dad is a real rocket scientist.
My family and friends, we laugh with each other and sometimes at each other. This is Today with Angela. Okay, so we're talking about eye art. So we're going to look at some eyeshadow. And so I use this. This is like my go-to to put on. But then this is one of my favorite. It looks so pretty. I do a lot of red carpets. It looks great on red carpet. It looks great on photos. And it's super easy for the most part to put on. And it's Revlon's Photo Ready Eye Art. So I'm going to show you the distinct difference between the two. Whenever I have this, no one really makes any comments about my eyes. But anytime I have this on, someone's like, oh, I really like your eyeshadow because it's liquid eyeshadow. Okay, so you'll see, even in like a few moments, because of how I blink a lot, it's come up here. So like I said, I will usually use a Q-tip. So I'm just going to use this as a baby wipe to wipe it. Okay, so that's done. But, okay, so I'm going to try to come close. So look at the difference between wiping it off. So here's me wiping off. On the right, this eye is the liquid eyeliner. Okay. That's me wiping it off. Maybe there's a teeny bit right there. I'll just go down and get that. So that was literally like 4 wipes, I think. I think I did 1, 2, and there's like a little bit left, right? So I could maybe go again, but you know, it's basically off. Let me go ahead and get that. It's also a little bit harder because I had eyelashes once I had glue, so it might be kind of sticking to that. But there you go, right? And then this one. Now look, already, I'm pushing quite hard, but it's still there. That's my second. Let's see. You see, it's still there. Still there. It's still there a lot, really. I'm not even concerned about that little line, but even just like this above that little part, it's hard to see because I feel like our lighting is going blue on us, but because we're next to the window. But you see how it's still there? Let's see if we can. It's still quite a bit there, even like right here. I don't know if you can see. It's harder.
And I stand here.
Mm-hmm.
Get rid past it.
So they both have different looks, but this one, the one on the left, the regular, is definitely a lot harder to take off, and the one on the right, the liquid.
Mommy, done.
Okay, Roblox time. Gotta go. Peace. We're talking about lashes. Okay, so obviously I have on fake lashes. Now these are the kind you just glue on. These are like the really cheap ones too, where you just, I think I got them from, I don't know where, but these are the cheap ones you just glue on. So I'm going to show you the time that my mom sent me the magnetic lashes for the first time to use. She was trying to get me to be a little bit more glamorous. And so she sent me the magnetic ones. So take a look as to how they turned out. Hey, so you guys know my mom buys me the most hilarious gifts. Last time she got me that black mask, or I think it's called the charcoal mask, where it supposedly removes all of the blackheads and pimples off your skin. So she sent me these lash magnetics. I'm not sure if you've ever used them before, but we're going to try to use them. And apparently it's mess-free, so there's no messy glue at all, no glue. It says longer, thicker, fuller lashes in seconds. I don't know about seconds because I never wear eyelashes. I've worn them one time. And I just don't like the idea of glue going on my eyes because I have actually 2015 vision instead of 2020, which is better than 2020 vision. So I'm just always concerned about anything going into my eyes. So it looks like when you open it up, it has top right, top left, bottom right, bottom left. So it lets you know. So you're only supposed to put it on the top eyelash. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So do a little test here. Make sure that it actually magnetizes, right? Let's see. There it goes. So that's pretty cool. For those of you that don't like doing the glue yourself, you guys might like this. I'm just not really a lash person. Just stuff on my eyes bothers me. But for those of you that maybe wear contacts, you know, and just used to wearing lashes, this may not bother you too much. So anyways,
let's try it and see. And also, these are kind of short when you think of look compared to my actual eye. So I'm thinking, I guess you could either put them towards this way or this way. I guess we could try both ways. Let's see. Okay, so there we go. Ooh, goodness. Okay, and my eyes are so sensitive. Uh-oh. Let's try that again. Hold on a second. Okay. And of course, for those of you, I'm sure most of you women, I do not need to say this to, but of course you're supposed to have all your makeup done. My makeup is very old because it's the end of the night. We had a Chuck E. Cheese birthday party we went to, so I'm actually about to wash off my whatever's left of my makeup. But of course, you should not have on mascara or anything, which I do have on, but you shouldn't when you wear lashes. Okay, so that is it. It has magnetized on. Now this might not be perfect. Ooh. I would never wear these lashes. I've certainly seen people with these kind of lashes. Not for me. What do you think, ladies? I don't know. Okay. Let's try the other ones. Maybe this time I'll go more towards the inner part of my eye. See the difference. Oh, wait a minute. It's harder to do this one because I guess because I'm right-handed. I don't know. All right. Let's see. Oh, okay. So I tried to put this one closer this way as opposed to this way to see. So yeah, maybe it looks better this way. So I guess, I don't know. Yeah, I guess it's, yeah, this one looks maybe a little crazier. All of it looks crazy to me. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to share this with my mom. So this was my little gift she got me. Thanks, Mom.